Our highest respect to the Chief Minister of BARC, Honorable Ahmad Balawag Ibrahim, Member of the Parliament, and Minister of MSD, Honorable Mohagir Iqbal, Bangsamoro Parliament Deputy Speakers, Representatives, Member of the Parliament, Honorable A.D. Ali, who are joining us today through virtual, Member of the Parliament and MOST Minister Engineer Aida Silungan, Cotabato City Mayor Honorable Muhammad Ali Cruz Matabalaw, Assistant Regional Secretary MPSE Attorney City Mariam Balahi, CTA, MPST officials, Director Generals and other officials, graduating ACME-SE students, beneficiaries or scholars, and other guests who are with us today. Assalamualaikum and good morning. I have the honor to present to you our academic year 2023-2024 candidates for graduation from the first cohort of the Access to Higher and Modern Education Scholarship Program, or ACME-SE. I begin with those who are present here in the Salib Kabunsuan Cultural Complex. As I call your group, please rise to be recognized and remain standing until I finish. 109 scholars from Cotabato City, 2 of whom are summa cum laude candidates, and 9 are cum laude candidates. Please rise. 251 scholars from Maguindanao Province, 1 of whom is a magna cum laude candidate, and 17 are cum laude candidates. 91 scholars from special geographic area, 6 of whom are cum laude candidates, and 26 are cum laude candidates. And finally, 109 scholars from Marawi City, 8 of whom are magna cum laude candidates, and 24 are cum laude candidates. The scholars, you may now take your seat. We are also very grateful that our scholars from Basilan, Sulu, Tawi-Tawi, or Basuka provinces are virtually joining us via Zoom on this joyous occasion. Let me start from the farthest. 146 scholars from the province of Tawi-Tawi, 1 of whom is a summa cum laude candidate, 2 are magna cum laude candidates, and 9 are cum laude candidates. 144 scholars from Sulu province, 3 of whom are magna cum laude candidates, and 11 are cum laude candidates. 220 scholars from Basilan, 3 of whom are summa cum laude candidates, and 8 are cum laude candidates. And last but not least, our 82 scholars from Dalitan City, 1 of whom is a summa cum laude candidate, and 2 are magna cum laude candidates, and 9 are cum laude candidates. Ladies and gentlemen, they are our candidates for graduation from our ACME-SE first cohort academic year 2023-2024. Alhamdulillah, our round of applause for our scholar graduates, please. Thank you very much.
Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. Thank you very much, Sir Joe. Nakaka-proud pakinggan that the 1,400 scholars of ACME, almost 70% lahat po mga laudes, and we even have the highest summa cum laude na manggagaling sa Bangsamoro region.